Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about the Craftsman Circular Saw by Sears. Now this is a quick review on the saw, but let's talk some specs here before we get into testing and everything. The saw spins at 3300 RPM and it has nice grip. Yeah, it really has a nice grip to it. I haven't used a lot of other circular saws, cordless ones, um, but it has a nice grip. The only thing is that I think a drawback that I should mention before we even get more into it is the guard. It's plastic, and I know a lot of other circular saws, cordless circular saws like Ryobi, it's plastic, but this one is kind of shaky. At least the one I got. I'm not sure about the other ones. So 3300 RPM. It comes with Craftsman 6.5-inch blade. It's a 6.5-inch saw. Um, it works. It works okay. The blade, that is. You should if you're planning on buying one and you buy one, I would advise you pick up probably a Diablo 6.5-inch blade. There's the 24 teeth, and then there is the 60 and 40 teeth, and this like finishing. If you're planning on using cutting plywood or MDF or something, you want to get a finishing blade. So in the package it also comes with a rip fence. I think it's like 8 inches or 9 inches, and that works great. It comes with one of these 20 volt max die hard battery. It's 1.5 amps. It also comes with a charger. The one I got, I got it from Facebook Marketplace, and the guy, it was a scam, and he didn't give me a charger. So instead of going out and buying another charger and spend I think like $50 for an extra battery and charger, so instead of doing that, I just decided that to alter it in a way that I could use my DeWalt batteries. Now I just decided that I should probably mention that before I forget and you see me using DeWalt battery and you find it really weird. Anyway, it is great. It works great. Even though it's kind of slower than most other saws, it works great. I think to me at least, it has a lot of torque. So even though it's 3300 RPM, it works great. It also has a slot for the Allen wrench and Allen key. I'm not sure. But yeah, and it works great. We're gonna go and do some testing just now. As I say, I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but it sells for around, I think, $60 something in Sears. So, and if you want to buy one, I can put the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so and yeah, I hope that we're gonna do some testing just now, and I hope you like what you see, because it works for me. I think it's really good because Ryobi, they have one. I think it's like $40 something on Amazon, but it doesn't have a battery or nor a charger. So I would advise you to pick up one of these. It's not as good as DeWalt, but DeWalt carries its price, of course. So what it is with the batteries that you buy, a charger, but yeah, I would advise you to pick up one. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm outside to do the test cutting, and the sun is really hot, so I'm not gonna be staying outside long. But yeah, this is softwood. You can see it cut pretty well. Didn't really struggle or anything. Alright, for this one, you can see it struggled a bit, but not bad. And this is inch and that one there, it's 1 by 8, and this one is 1.5 inch by, I'm not sure what that is, probably 6 inch. So as you can see, it performed really well. And one of the problems that I get is with the guard. As I mentioned, it shakes a bit, so sometimes it gets caught in a wood. It doesn't like go up, slide properly. But it's not really a problem for me, because you see, if I'm holding the camera like I'm doing now, it's a bit of a problem. But normally I just slowly lift the guard as I'm cutting, and I know a lot of people do too. So it's not a big problem. So yeah. Alright, well, this is it for the video. So if you're planning to pick up one of these, I would advise you to. It's a great saw, and other than the blade guard, it's a great saw for me. And I'm not sure if the others are gonna come with a shaky blade guard. But it's not much of a drawback, So that's it. This is my first video, as I mentioned. So if you like the video and you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe, you can drop a comment. If you want to support the channel, then you can buy me a coffee using the buy me a coffee link in the description. Thank you.